ब्रेक के बाद स्वागत है आपका प्रॉपर्टी प्लस में। अब हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए मौजूद हैं पूर्वांकरा ग्रुप के एमडी आशीष पूर्वांकरा। तो आशीष जी, बहुत स्वागत है आपका जी बिजनेस पर। सबसे पहले तो मैं समझना चाहूंगा कि मुंबई और पुणे पर पूर्वांकरा ग्रुप का फोकस बीते कुछ सालों में काफी तेजी से बढ़ता हुआ दिखा है। हाल ही में आपने मुंबई के प्राइम लोकेशन मालाबार हिल में भी एक लैंडमार्क प्रोजेक्ट का ऐलान किया है। फिलहाल कितने प्रोजेक्ट पाइपलाइन में हैं और आने वाले समय में अनाउंसमेंट और लॉन्च को लेकर क्या टाइमलाइन है?
हाँ जी, हम वी गॉट अ प्रोजेक्ट इन मलाबार हिल which is about 1.43 acres or 0.7 million square foot with a revenue potential of almost 2,700 crores. This continues to underscore our growing market share in the Mumbai society redevelopment market. आज तक हमने 4.25 million square foot का society redevelopment projects across Mumbai में secure किया है। उसका total revenue potential होगा 10,500 crores. We continue to leverage the brand. Today customers also understand what Purvankara as a brand stands for. They like the vision that we have for the projects. Every project we look at it very differently. We try to understand the segment of the people, their aspirations, amenities that they want. So I think we have been fortunate to have gotten marquee locations like Malabar Hill, Breach Candy, Pali Hill, Lokhandwala and Chembur. Very important, ये सब का लोकेशन एकदम प्राइम है, साइज भी अच्छा है, जहां हम एमिनिटीज लाइफस्टाइल एमिनिटीज प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं। तो वेरी एक्साइटेड एंड वी विल कंटिन्यू टू फोकस ऑन बोथ द मुंबई and the Pune market in terms of growth for the organization.
आशीष जी, फेस्टिव सीजन को देखते हुए आप FY26 में सेल्स, कलेक्शंस और ओवरऑल परफॉर्मेंस को लेकर क्या गाइडेंस दे रहे हैं? एनुअल टारगेट का अब तक कितना हिस्सा पूरा हो चुका है और उसे पार करने को लेकर आप कितने कॉन्फिडेंट हैं?
Annual sales are from two buckets. One is from your ongoing sustenance projects. Second is from your new launches. As I mentioned earlier, today we have almost 15 million square foot of new launches that are planned with a GDV of almost 18,000 crores over the next 6 to 18 months. Almost 50 to 60%, if not more, we will target to launch it before March. They're all in final stages of completion. A. B, in terms of sustenance, we are on target. We have monthly and quarterly targets and we are on target. Sales are pretty resilient and very strong. So we are hopeful of closing the year with a good number. We're also quite excited. H2, we have a huge handover to the customer, almost 4,500 apartments, out of which 3,015 apartments, the construction is complete, OC received. We're just waiting for the e-Katha, which is a new policy that was rolled out by the Karnataka government. So as soon as we get that e-Katha, we can then proceed with registrations. So a big year in terms of marquee launches and handover to the customer.
आशीष जी, पूर्वांकरा का पोर्टफोलियो अगर हम देखें तो लग्जरी हाउसिंग, मिड सेगमेंट हाउसिंग और प्लॉटेड डेवलपमेंट में डाइवर्सिफाई है। करेंटली इन वर्टिकल्स का रेशियो क्या है? आगे चलकर क्या आप मेट्रो और टीयर 2 शहरों की डिमांड को देखते हुए इस मिक्स को रीबैलेंस करने का प्लान कर रहे हैं?
So depends, आप वैल्यू लेते हैं कि आप स्क्वायर फुटेज लेते हैं. So in terms of value wise, I would say that the luxury market with these launches will account for almost 49% of our business. The balance would be about 35 to 40% will be about the mid income and the balance will be plotted development.
आशीष जी, करेंटली कंपनी का डेट और डेट टू इक्विटी के स्टेटस को लेकर आप क्या शेयर करेंगे? एग्रेसिवली एक्सपेंशन को ध्यान में रखते हुए बैलेंस शीट को हेल्दी बनाए रखने के लिए आप कौन से कदम उठा रहे हैं?
So as of last quarter, our net debt stood at 2,850 crores, which is, today if I look at my current ongoing projects, our free cash flow over the next 3 to 4 years is almost 15,500 plus crores. So in that sense, today the free cash flows over the next 4 to 5 years is 5x of the net debt amount today. We are extremely comfortable as of today. I don't see this number inching up too aggressively. And if you look at once these launches happen, even collections will be pretty strong. Over the last couple of years, our collections almost doubled. 1,000 crores a quarter is what we are collecting. With these new launches, that will only increase further. So as of now, we are very comfortable. And we'll see that number slowly come down with the new launches.
आशीष जी, आज के बाजार में अफोर्डेबिलिटी एक मेन फैक्टर है। बढ़ती इनपुट कॉस्ट और कॉम्पिटिटिव मार्केट के बीच पूर्वांकरा कंज्यूमर की प्राइस और वैल्यू से जुड़े एक्सपेक्टेशंस को कैसे पूरा कर रहा है?
Two things. As an organization, हम हमेशा try करते हैं how we can, be more efficient, get our costs down. It may be with a technology play, or it may be, efficient operations where we can get our costs down. So therefore, to maintain the affordability of the product, that is one. Secondly, I also believe that today customers are able to attribute the right value for a good brand, for the value proposition that we give in every project and the location. So today, we're not seeing any softening of any sort in terms of velocity or in terms of the selling price.
आशीष जी, भारत में प्रॉप्टेक अपनाने की रफ्तार तेज हो रही है। प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीक्यूशन, सेल और कस्टमर एक्सपीरियंस को बेहतर बनाने के लिए पूर्वांकरा किस तरह टेक्नोलॉजी, एआई और डिजिटल प्लेटफॉर्म्स का यूज कर रहा है?
So, ek to, obviously, the most common thing that most people are doing today is using AI in terms of your marketing, digital marketing. Secondly, we will also be launching our customer app to better the entire experience and journey from the time they purchase an apartment to the time they get handover, where every information will be at their fingertips in terms of progress, in terms of their payments, in terms of their agreement, digital copies, plan sanctions, etc., etc. So, to just better that customer experience, we will be launching this over the next 2 to 3 months. In addition to that, we've also launched a broker app where we're able to aggregate over 3,500 brokers to make their life cycle with us very seamless. So they're able to track the progress of each customer. They're able to download marketing collaterals. They're able to follow up on their payments, etc. So that we launched 3 months ago. Then in addition to that, we've also launched a post-possession app. Again, how do you help build communities faster? Right? How do you, when you're staying in an apartment, how you can block certain amenities, you can connect with other owners, on common interests. So that will also be launched in the next 2 to 3 months. Besides that, we also are using technology in terms of to check quality of our projects while they're under construction. Obviously, we're using drone surveys in terms, for our land surveys. So a huge focus on deploying technology to better, one is the customer experience. Second is to build in efficiency and to see if we can also compress the construction timeline. Real estate में, especially residential में, सबसे बड़ी चीज है हम जल्दी से जल्दी कंस्ट्रक्शन कंप्लीट कर सके. So वहां पे भी हम जितना हो सके हम वहां पे भी टेक्नोलॉजी डिप्लॉय कर रहे हैं.
कंप्लायंस और ग्रीन कंस्ट्रक्शन इन्वेस्टर्स और कंज्यूमर्स की पसंद को तेजी से बदल रहे हैं आशीष जी। इस डायरेक्शन में पूर्वांकरा ने सस्टेनेबल बिल्डिंग प्रैक्टिसेस और प्रोजेक्ट्स का कार्बन फुटप्रिंट घटाने के लिए कौन सी पहल की है?
So ESG is a very, very important point, I think, within the organization. We are mapping the ESG sort of compliance project-wise. This is a document that is, shared around the organization. So, in terms of building materials that will have a lesser carbon footprint, in terms of green cover, in terms of water recycling, in terms of diversity, we are tracking the women in the workforce. So, 33% today is where we are at. Of course, we want to improve that percentage further. Then in terms of governance as well, so we have this dashboard that is constantly tracking governance controls internally. Then even in terms of giving back to the community, we are focusing more on education and we are focusing on clean water. I believe these are the two most important things today as a society for us to get better. Education plays a very, very important role. So that's where a lot of our CSR activities are focused towards.
आशीष जी, फ्यूचर ग्रोथ के लिहाज से क्या आपके पास कैपिटल रेजिंग, प्राइवेट इक्विटी पार्टनरशिप या एसेट मोनेटाइजेशन की प्लानिंग है? आपके एंगल से इंडियन रियल एस्टेट में इंस्टीट्यूशनल इन्वेस्टर्स का इंटरेस्ट किस डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है?
So we, in terms of today, there's no specific plan to raise any capital. Yes, we are exploring platform deals with a couple of private equity people. In addition to that, today I think with these launches, the cash flows are very healthy. So we have strong internal accruals to also fund the future growth. As you know, today society redevelopment does not take a huge capital upfront. So even in terms of the land acquisition strategy, so it's a combination of outright, it's a combination of joint development and society redevelopment.
ठीक है सर, एक अंतिम सवाल, आप कंपनी के शेयर परफॉर्मेंस को कैसे देख रहे हैं? आपकी रणनीति पर कैसा असर डालेंगी? रिटेल इन्वेस्टर्स को कैसे कॉन्फिडेंस देंगे?
End of the day, I think investors are pretty intelligent and smart. They only put value on performance. Therefore, I believe that this will be a great year in terms of the projects that we have secured, and once those get launched. So in terms, the diverse locations that we have, and with the Mumbai portfolio also gaining steam, that is one. Second is also the handover that we have, which is the largest that we've ever done. In H2, we have a planned handover of almost 4,500 units with a projected revenue of 4,500 crores. So the focus is now to deliver on that. Like I mentioned earlier, 3,015 apartments are already ready with occupation certificate. We are only waiting for the e-Katha. So the focus will be launches and delivery, which I'm sure investors will appreciate and reward us for.
बहुत शुक्रिया करेंगे आपका आशीष जी, हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए। ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं आपके अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए। तो आज प्रॉपर्टी